Hello all, welcome back to our channel. As discussed yesterday, that we have gone through the account and contact and their relationship. What is the master details relationship? What is the lookup relationship? We have gone through the object manager, object explorer, where we have seen the account object, contact object, and the field and relationship section, where we have seen the data type, the field name, account owner, and how it is interrelated with the user object, and how the contact is interrelated with the account object. So, as till now, we are what we understood as that object is nothing but the table, and the fields there we are storing, we are creating the fields by selecting the data type, whether it is lookup, whether it is master detail, whether it would be a text data type of that field, whether it would be a phone number data type of that field. So all these fields creation will be there. Later we can see also how to create a custom object, how to create a custom field and all. But as per the standard field on the account and contact object, we have already seen these things, and also seen the relationship of those account contact and other objects as well. So today what we are going to do is today we are going to see the lead creation, the lead conversion, how it will be going to convert it to the account contact and opportunity, because we have discussed yesterday that in the last session that yeah, so we were talking about the lead. So imagine like someone fills a form on your company website. So this is the Salesforce uh, UI you are seeing, but it will be there, and it will be an option you to create a custom website also from the Salesforce, right? So later you create a custom website and provide the user that URL to authorize and authenticate on that custom website, and from there they can fill the form, like as a guest user they can fill the form, they can use your website, and later they can fill the form that okay, you are providing the hotel services, then I want the information related to the room, premium room, suite rooms, and so on, right? So this kind of information can a customer ask to your website, via your website, and that that information, like how you're capturing those information into your Salesforce system. You are capturing those information using the lead object. Lead is nothing but storing the customer information, which is a prospect customer who might be interested, who might not be interested. So lead conversion is a process which you will see today, how the lead information is getting captured, and you have to follow up with that customer later, whether they are interested in your service, they want to take in your service, then you will convert those customer information into account, contact, or opportunity. Opportunity is nothing but the deal, and you will be going to see how will be. There are different stages, and if you are achieving those stages, then the deal will be closing it out, right? So let's see here. So before opening Salesforce screen and show you the lead conversion process here, I want to show something related to the lead form. So here you can see this is the lead tab, right? And here you can see this is the lead record, right? So this is the basic information you are capturing. So lead might come to your way by call, by calling, directly calling, using the customer, and they can reach out to you via the email, they can reach out to you via the website. So we do have a different approaches here, right? So if they are reaching out to you from your website, then we do have a web to lead process where whenever the lead information is getting filled out using your website, then it will be storing automatically to your system. But that is something the automated process. We will look into it later. So to start from a basic lead conversion, we will see how we can capture the record manually into our Salesforce system, right? So suppose someone is calling you, okay, hey, Surya, here, Ramesh, I am interested into your service, like, so please provide me these details. So before giving the information, you want to capture some basic information from that customer, right? What is your name? What is the company name? If you are coming as individual, if you're coming by company, what is the lead source here? So lead source is nothing but the phone inquiry we are, right? Capturing industry, from which industry they belongs to, what is the lead status. So till now it is open and not contacted. So basic information you can capture here, right? What is the annual revenue of those companies if they are coming from this? What is the annual income revenue? Number of employees if they are having a company, then what is the number of employees here? What is the country, state, city? These kind of basic information you are capturing here, right? So let's create a new record. So I'm creating a new record. Let's see, Surya lead conversion. Mm, here, mobile information, right? Phone numbers, last name we have already given. The company name, suppose TCS, and then lead source will be a phone inquiry here. Website, www.test.com. Industry here where I belongs to, suppose banking industry. Then firstly, you can directly, if you are capturing the record on call from the customer, then you can click on this working contacted. But here for now, I am keeping the first status, which is open not contacted here. Rating it will be a hard, warm, or cold, depends on your connection with the customer, number of employees, address. Suppose India, A B C D E F G H I, India, Jaipur, Jaipur. Okay, state Rajasthan. Product interested. This is something the basic product, but we are not filling this information for now. Later we will see once we are discussing more in depth for the opportunity and other product related objects. Then we will going to fill this kind of information. But for now, we are keeping the general information from the customer, right? So we have created this record here. You can see the records has been captured, and this is the status which we were able to see into the pick list, right? This is the source, not the status. This is the status. So this is the status we are able to see here also. So this is open not contacted here. We got the information. We will connect with the customer later. Then the status will be working contacted, right? And then I can mark the status as working contacted for now, current status, and then you can see these two status here, close not converted and converted. So after discussing more about the customer, their interest, their products, if they are happy with your in uh, uh, offer, right? They want to do some business or they want to purchase some services from you, if they are happy with your offer and they want to deal, they want to continue the business with you, then you can convert those leads as a converted. But suppose later, like if you see that this customer is not interested, right? They don't want to continue the business or they want more offer, more discussion. Then later you can, for now you can keep this customer as not converted, right? Right, and later you can do more, provide more offer to them to make the customer happy so that they can use your services, your business, or whatever the offer you are providing to them, right? So for now, let's not discuss this, let's discuss the conversion process. So mark this as the working contacted and then let's use this converted, right? So here you can see once you click on the select converted status, so this is the standard a lead conversion page. Here you are able to see that. So lead will be automatically gets converted into the Salesforce into these object account, contact, and opportunity. So why? Because that customer is interested to work with you, right? So you have to keep those information into your Salesforce database, Salesforce tables. So for that you are using these three tables: account, contact, and opportunity. Opportunity for now you can create it at the time of the conversion, but if you don't want to create it, then you can deselect this, like don't create an opportunity upon conversion. Select this and only you can create an account and customer information, right? So the customer information like the first name, last name will be here, right? Or if you want to choose an existing, already this customer has reached out to you earlier as well, then you can choose the existing customer and search for that account, and with that account you can link. But I am keep storing this information very first time, so I am creating a new one. So I have created a, I am creating a account, a contact, and I am not creating a, oh, okay, let's create the opportunity just to show you how it works, right? So if you want to give the opportunity a name, so you can TCS opportunity open, something like that, right? And this is the record, this is the closed converted status, right? So if you click on convert, then you will see that the pop-up will be populated here. Now you can see your lead has been converted, and here from here also you can right click on this, or you can press control and click on the link, and you will be directly redirecting it to the account, contact, and opportunity page from here, right? So this account has been created, right? Account has already been created, contact has already been created, and you can see the in the related tab also you can see the opportunity is linked with this contact, right? And here you can see the opportunity as well. So we will discuss more, like this was the example of the conversion process, how the basic information from the customer gets converted into your Salesforce object. So we were able to see till now what is the object, what is the object relationship, how they interact with each other. So that is why I shown you the lead conversion process. So suppose at very first time when the customer is coming to you, so how you are storing those data into your Salesforce object, and what is the related Salesforce object, and how later you can discuss more about with the customer and proceed through with the different stages, right? Proceed through with the different stages. Here you can see the contact information, and here you can see the different stages, right? So once you are dealing with the your negotiating with the customer, you are giving the proposal, price quote, and all negotiation is going on. So these are the different stages of opportunity. Opportunity is nothing but the deal with that customer, and if you are closing the deal at the good notes with the customer, then you can close this deal later, right? With the remarks and all, what are the fields you can use. So till now we have seen all the picture like application overview, how the customer information is getting stored, how it is interrelated. Now at the later stage, I think you are now basic understanding about the objects, how it works into the Salesforce application. Now we will see more into the depth like what is the object, what are their uh, sharing rules, sharing setting, and how they can access the data and the other things which is required to understand more about the data sharing settings and how the data is being shared between each other, each of you, each of the sales executive, right? So those things we will see later. So I think for now it is good to close this. And in upcoming session, we will discuss more about the account, the custom object creation, the field creation. We will show like we will create one of the application. We will create one of the tab. We will put those custom object and custom fields inside the tabs, right? And we will create a page layout. We will see how we can customize more page layout sections and the header and these stages and all. So in upcoming videos, I will try to explain those, but I will request you all to do more practice. Go to the free developer edition, go to the sales application and go to the each of the tabs, go to the object manager to explore the other object as well to your understanding, and you can ask me any of the questions related to these in the comments. So till then, I hope that you will be going to practice more, and we will be coming back strongly into the next session, and we will learn more, learn new things, and I will also try to show you the exact error if you are getting during the lead conversion process. So it will help you during the interview question, like what could be the error you can get in during the lead conversion process and how you can resolve it, right? So yeah, thank you all. Bye bye. Let's meet into the next tutorial video. Thank you. Bye bye.